So hey guys, it's me again playing Beast again. And yeah, so I'm dueling that one hungry guy right here. And that's actually a really cool name. But here's my Beast deck. It's not the most consistent, but it has some interesting plays you can make. So I can go card G first turn. I'm gonna summon the wind of I'm gonna summon the Emmer's Blade, I think. Now set this. Yeah, so for those of you that don't know or haven't watched my other Beast video yet, this is TG Wind Up X-Saber Beast. Interesting, so it looks like I'm fighting Sam's. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get the search off with Emmer's Blade, and I'm gonna summon Vellum. And yeah, drop me Heavy Storm. Nope. So we could tour guide into Sangan. Then we can make ourselves something. I don't know what I could do in this situation. I mean, I'm kind of confused right now what I should do. But I have this air vellum, so I can, if I attack directly, I can discard one. And, worse for worse, I think I should just make a Zen Mage. I mean, Zen Mage is a great card. Wait, let's get Synchro Summon actually. I got level 3, level 4, and level 3. So I could go for 6 or 7. And oh, here's a 7. Watch summon card D and go for 5. Okay, 2 5s. Oh, I don't even have the caster. I kind of want to go into Librarian, but I'm not sure what to do. Okay, heck of it. Let's go with Tour Guide. Hopefully he doesn't have a response, and I don't think he has a response. I'm gonna go grab my Sangan. I know some people leave Tour Guide and Sangan out for the search. I think it's perfectly fine. I do that too. Except yeah, I did it too. Except let's go over here. Torrential. Okay. So as I was saying, let's grab TD Striker. TD Striker's a good card. Let's end here. So yeah, as I was saying, people like summon Tour Guide, go into Sangan, and then just leave it there. And then once their opponent blows up, or once Sangan leaves the field, they use Sangan as effect to grab another Tour Guide, and then they overlay, and I'm like, how pointless is that? Okay. So actually it's Gateway. Okay. And I have this compulsory activation device, which is kind of pointless, but yeah. If I were him, okay. Okay, so he's trying to remove 4, and he's gonna grab a Shinai or Kizan. That's my best bet. But if I were him, I would go for the Shinai because I have the Mizuho, and he would go for Kizan. What an idiot. So he hasn't attacked yet, so he has no idea if his back throw can help him. Actually, I have no idea what he's done. Well, he has attacked, but it's not much way. So, I'm not sure if he can read this back row considering my deck, and I don't think he knows what I run yet. But he's gonna end up attacking. Oh, okay, yeah, there you go, you can see his effect. Why don't we target Mizuho? There you go. And I'm gonna take 2100 from Grandmaster, and yeah. If he used Shinai, he could have grabbed Zanju back. Okay, so things I can do. Oh, TD Striker first of all. Minos Chain Wolf, also on Werewolf. And I could go into Wind Up Rabbit and piss him off. I could go into Tiki Rush Rhino and do things. Oh cool, so I can almost use Pot of Avarice. Oh, I can't, never mind. I'm an idiot. Let's go with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. And then I get to draw 2 cards, just like my card cards here. Okay, now, oh, Horn of the Phantom Beast, perfect. Let's set this, and I kind of want to go into PG Wonder Magician. Yeah, let's do that. TG Wonder Magician. Woohoo. Summon it in defense mode, even though zero defense. And we'll pop his gateway so that way he doesn't get the. Oh boy. Solemn warning, that's a pain. You gotta be kidding me, okay? Now it's the exact same situation as before. I got a compulsory face down. And yeah. Raw my gate. Alright. That sucks too. Mine have it. Jesus, it's taking that long to lift my hand. Okay, that's not a cool card actually. That's a really annoying card if you think about it. Look at all your opponent's set cards and their hand. That's not cool. Jesus Christ. Okay guys, sorry, I'm not religious, so if I am, well, I'm not like Christian, so whenever I say Jesus Christ, it's basically a version of saying, oh my god. I just got tired of saying, oh my god. I just say Jesus Christ, because it sounds, but if I am offending anyone, I'm deeply sorry. Because, I'm not Christian, so I'm not religious. Not religious at all. So yeah. So it's not gonna use my Zuho's effect again. 1600. Okay. I'm trying to think of what I should do. Should I take it or should I bounce like Grandmaster? But hold on. No, I'm gonna bounce the Mizuho. So that way Kizan also has less attack points. Okay, here we go. So he knows I have these 3 in hand. So good thing I drew another trap card, so I can set both of them. And I think I'm gonna be summoning PG Rush Rhino. Yeah, since it gains 400 attacks or damage definite attacks. It's kinda like Jade. Actually it is. Yeah, it's like Jade. Light Sworn, whatever. So let's summon this. And I'll blow up Kizan since it's 2000. What is this? Okay. And then we will set this and this. That way when he summons a stupid Mizuho, I will kill him. I can bottomless that. And there you have it guys, Mizuho is bottomless. Oh boy, I love bottomless right now. I never like didn't like it. It's just that. Oh, here we go. Dude, he should have seen this coming. It's at what? 1400? Yeah. And I get a show a card. He should have seen it coming. That was ridiculously stupid. He looked at my hand. So all I can say is this guy's kind of an idiot. No offense if you're watching this. But yeah, so let's duality. Sangan, Arabellum, and Dark. Let's go with the Arabellum. Yeah, guys, yeah. if I didn't find the Arbellum, I would have just normal summoned White Rabbit this turn. You know, this deck relies heavily on the normal summon, so it's kind of slow. But then again, you know, but I still like it. So let's attack with our, what, 2400? Yeah, no, it said 2800. What? Okay, whatever. I don't want to. I can draw a card too. Yeah! So there's Tour Guide. And I got a Shield Foot Soldier. That's actually a pretty nice card. It's a nice search card for sense. So for those of you that don't know what it does, I can't see on the screen. When you're what Elder? Who's the kid? He already lost. Oh, new 4. Okay. So it's gonna summon. It's gonna grab it. What? Kizan? Oh shit! I just realized I'm so low on life points. I should play carefully more because you know he grabs like 3,300 feet. Oh my god! No, not this. My card definition, please. No, this is all my fault. I'm gonna mistake. This sucks. It's okay. Next turn I could always synchro summon into very shooting for you guys. Oh man, and he gets a Kizan. Sorry. Hopefully it's not a game. Okay. So he already has 2 Kizans engraved, so he gets this last one now because of his 4 counters on Gateway. Oh, Grandmaster. Why? Why? Actually, that makes sense. Yeah, Grandmaster over Kizan right now. This sucks. So what? I take 800. I take 100, I think? Yeah, 100. Okay, I'm gonna top deck Dark Hole. Let's watch. Dark Hole. What the heck? Wow. BS. Okay, I can go into Zen mains, which will kind of piss him off. He only has 800 life points left. So if I go into Acid Golem, yeah, let's do that. Acid Golem. And since he has no cards in hand, I don't think he has any response. Unless there's some card that can negate Tour Guide from the graveyard. But if there was one, I think I would have seen it in the meta already. Unless it was like ridiculously old. But still, I don't. People find cards that are really old but still uses them a lot. Still puts them to work. And if someone Acid Golem, and we will attack his Grandmaster for 900 points of damage, and that will be game. Good game, man. Yeah, my rating increased by 12. And yeah, so I guess I didn't go eat breakfast. I'm really hungry, and I can't start. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the deck list for this soon. But yeah, that was Beast versus Sam's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.